Welcome back my YouTube channel MF Cars Review. The Porsche 911 has always been an icon of automotive excellence, and the 2025 model is no exception. Continuing its legacy of blending performance, luxury, and innovation, the 2025 Porsche 911 takes the sports car experience to new heights. With refined aesthetics, cutting-edge technology, and enhancements in both power and efficiency, this latest iteration cements its place at the pinnacle of the sports car market. The 911 remains a timeless classic, but it's the seamless integration of tradition and modernity that makes the 2025 model truly special. The design of the 2025 Porsche 911 exudes elegance and aggression in equal measure. It retains the unmistakable silhouette that has defined the model for decades, but subtle tweaks to the aerodynamics and bodywork give it a sharper and more futuristic edge. The front fascia is redesigned with sleeker headlights and improved air intakes, optimizing airflow and cooling. The rear features a refined LED light bar that spans the entire width, paired with a more pronounced spoiler for enhanced downforce. Lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber are used extensively, reducing overall weight and improving handling without compromising structural integrity. Under the hood, the 2025 Porsche 911 offers a range of powertrains that cater to diverse driving preferences. The base models come with a turbocharged flat-six engine, delivering exhilarating performance and impressive fuel efficiency. For enthusiasts seeking even greater thrills, the Turbo S variant boasts an incredible horsepower output, catapulting the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Porsche has also made strides in hybrid technology, with the 2025 lineup including a plug-in hybrid option. This variant combines electric motors with a traditional flat-six engine, offering a perfect blend of power, sustainability, and everyday usability. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that perfectly marries luxury and functionality. The 2025 911's interior showcases premium materials like leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum, ensuring a sophisticated yet sporty ambience. The updated infotainment system is more intuitive than ever, featuring a higher-resolution touchscreen, wireless smartphone connectivity, and voice-activated controls. Drivers will also appreciate the customizable digital instrument cluster, which displays vital information in a clean and easily accessible format. Ambient lighting, comfortable sport seats, and advanced sound insulation create an environment that is as enjoyable on long drives as it is on the racetrack. Safety and driver assistance technology have also been significantly enhanced in the 2025 Porsche 911. The model now comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking as standard. Optional features include a night vision system, traffic sign recognition, and a 360-degree camera, making it one of the most technologically advanced sports cars on the market. Porsche has also introduced an advanced traction management system, ensuring optimal performance in a variety of driving conditions, whether it's navigating wet roads or taking on tight corners at high speeds. In addition to its performance and luxury, the 2025 Porsche 911 embraces sustainability. The introduction of a hybrid model underscores Porsche's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint without sacrificing the driving dynamics that enthusiasts love. Moreover, the use of sustainable materials and eco-friendly production processes aligns with the brand's long-term environmental goals. This balance of tradition, innovation, and responsibility ensures that the 911 remains relevant in an era where sustainability is increasingly important. The 2025 Porsche 911 is not just a car, it's an experience. Whether you're drawn to its breathtaking performance, cutting-edge technology, or timeless design, there's no denying the allure of this legendary sports car. Porsche has managed to evolve the 911 without losing sight of what made it iconic in the first place. It's a testament to the brand's dedication to excellence and its ability to adapt to changing times while staying true to its roots.